ICC faculty have access to the premier version of the Screencast-O-Matic desktop video recording software. Sign in to Blackboard and click on the Faculty Resources tab to find the information for registering for your paid account. After you have registered for your Screencast-O-Matic Premier account through ICC, if you come back to the Screencast-O-Matic.com homepage, you can see that you're signed in if your email address that you registered with is filled in up in the corner up here. And to actually access the paid version of the recorder, you don't do that from this page. These are still links to the free recorder. If you want to click on, from this page, if you want to click on My Videos, that takes you to a page where you have buttons here for launching the recorder or the editor or downloading the software. And all of these are taking you to the paid versions of the tool. So also, if you come back, another thing you might see, if you're not logged in when you come back to the page and you click Login, fill in your username and the password that you set up during the registration process, then you might also see this screen, and this also, so the launch recorder or open editor, that will also be the paid version of the software if you click Screencast-O-Matic.com. So that takes you back to this main page, and then you can again go into My Videos. Here's that download and install link that wasn't on that other page that we were just on when you first signed in. And so if you download the software, you can launch it from your computer rather than launching it from the website. If you had previously used the free version of Screencast-O-Matic and you feel that you're having trouble accessing the paid version, when you come back to the Screencast-O-Matic site after you've registered and sent the email to the Teaching and Learning Center to tell us that you've registered, then one thing you might try is to log out and then log back in again, and see if that doesn't give you access to the paid version of the tools. And if it doesn't, go ahead and send another email to the Teaching and Learning Center, and we can try and help you troubleshoot.